Hi, in this video, we will teach you how to assemble the chamber. Open the box and take the chamber and all accessories out. This is the foam base that avoids moving. We use plastic film to wrap the chamber body to protect it. So you need to remove the film first. That's all accessories for chamber bodies. What you see now is external pressure gauge. We need to install the gauge in the connector base. Then we installed the gauge on chamber body. Make sure you screw the connector tightly. This is the stopper that avoids air leaking. This is the stopper, too. The function is the same. But this one can install the tube later when you use it. This is the same stopper. Actually, you can determine all the connector locations. It is flexible. This connector is for internal pressure gauge. Just screw it tightly, then we install internal gauge from inside. Open the belt and zipper. Then we install internal gauge from chamber inside. Next step is to install the tube connectors for concentrators. We just need to leave oxygen connector far away from the environment tube. If they are closed, it may cause the testing result for oxygen level is too high. Every chamber must have two pieces of automatic valves. It is for safety. For the connectors on chambers we don't use now, we use stoppers to block it. Now let's install the inside control panel for the concentrator. Put the panel cable into chamber and screw the connector. You can adjust the connector location to adjust the cable length inside the chamber. We just need to plug in it on the panel backside. Now the panel is ready. Let's connect the tubes between chamber and concentrator. This is pressure relief tube. The inside chamber air comes out from this tube. Press the connector neck, then you can take the plug out. Then we just plug in the tube. This is pressurization tube. The air comes out from here, then delivers it to the chamber. Then much air would make inside chamber pressure rise up. That is the reason how the pressure goes up. This is pressure detection tube. Our concentrator would detect if the chambers had pressure by this tube. If this tube detects no pressure, the panel would have noticed. This is environment detection tube. It would test the diffuse concentration inside the chamber. If the diffused oxygen level was over 28%, the panel would have noticed. This is the oxygen tube. The concentrator delivers the oxygen from here to the chamber. So you need to know which one is oxygen tube clearly. Then you can connect the oxygen mask from inside. And make sure oxygen tube far away from environment tube. This is the connector for oxygen mask. We connect the oxygen mask with this connector. You can buy the oxygen mask in local. Then we found the oxygen tube and installed the connector. Don't forget to install the silencer. Install the silencer with air tube to avoid noise. Close the inner and outside zippers. Then close the belts. Put the foam base on the floor. Turn on the machine power. Turn on the machine to inflate the chamber. When the chamber pressure reaches max to ATA, automatic valves would have air leaking. The pressure gauges proves the pressure reaches to ATA. The panel shows that the real time reaches to ATA too.